Yeehaw. Village Creek. Part 3.
Is a diamondback water snake.
Okay.
He's got pretty cool pattern on the back.
Oh, no kidding.
And on the front, if you look close, it's not too different than a diamondback rattlesnake, really.
Hey, buddy.
Everyone is in the water. You should have caught about 5 bass by now. I did not even think about that.
It might be a glue mount.
A glue with a screw. I recognize the mount. Yeah.
This is new to me. I didn't know this.
I cannot swim. Somehow. Yeah, it does.
That was GoPro worthy.
Gotta dig past the top layer of sand.
Bricks over. That's a nice sandbar, wow. Brick number 2. Nice frisbee friendly bank.
Yes. So it's first time without something new in quite a while. Just different company. Exactly.
Yeah, it's a really pretty spot. Yeah, I hit a little shallow bank. Oh, this is that little shallow spot. I like it in here. Go the fun way. I'm gonna go the fun way. Yeah.
Just cruising down the river, cruising down.
The hood wonder. This is a pretty cool little stretch in here. Gets shorter, a lot more shade. This is a pretty cool stretch. I like. A lot more shade and kind of got a little draft coming through here. Dig it, dig it. Dig it in, dig it in. Oh. Oh man. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Trucking along to banjo music. Yes.
Hey, this is not a bad beach at all.
All right, we are at our campsite. Nice ultimate frisbee size bank. found the shade spot.
Yeah, that's actually legit.
Pull! One more pull. Pull.
Alright, Owen, mine's going up. Here we go.
Wah! There's the tent site.
So this one will actually, you don't necessarily have to light the bottom.
Huh. I mean, I would have.
Yeah, this is it for me. I am done after this, man. One more s'more and call it a night. Hey, watch my thighs.
There you go.
That's a good save.
That was on camera.
I know that was super nerdy of
that
me to
puts
say.
No, but that's actually true. It's been a long time
Yeah.
since I've
That
looked.
puts us before.
I know. Let's put it out.
I like that little thing.
That's
pretty cool.
That thing's pretty slick. I just realized I'm like stuck right dead between two fire pits. Probably not a
There we go. Yeah. There we go. Beautiful. I'm a fire king. Fire king. Oh, dude, that is going crazy. What in the world?
Yeah. I mean, it's a natural, it's going to suck in the air from the sides. That's that's the key.
Wow, I can't believe that.
Well, I
You
mean,
just get a little bucket, because if you have like your 5-gallon bucket.
I was gonna say, 5-gallon bucket.
Off whatever you want while you're here.
I was actually gonna get a for my trailer, a pressurized tube for hosing off the yaks after I get out. It's like, yeah, that's still a possibility. They're stupid expensive though, because they're for you get.
It's probably. Yeah, all of it, that's a tire trailer.
Wake up. Wake up.
But because it's
That is such an old man thing.
we just
I'm from Indiana Jones.
I got a stare.
Yes. This is a very odd thing we have going on.
Here, I'll just do this. GoPro, take a photo. Moving out. We're off. Found a little spring, possibly. Mission complete. Mission complete. Hey. Village Creek. Thanks guys for coming. Drew, Parker, Pat, Ryan, Zach, Owen, Blake. Thank you guys for making this such a fun trip. Enjoyed it.